all the information of who's going to pick us up and everything. Let me know TV skit so I think we probably need two.
What's it? My name is Xavier. What's the name of your channel? Huh? This is gonna be the first one. Tastes good, man. It's a bowl of meat on it too. I'm talk about the whole vibes and everything. So I got sent them. So and they are gonna roast them up and things. I'm gonna show we love two other YouTubers there. Them already subscribed to them. Yeah, with the coded book. Yeah. With some pepper. The bar put the fresh some pepper.
Hey guys, good morning. This is a new vlog, a new day in Jamaica, and we are now heading to St. Thomas. But first, we're gonna stop for something to eat, and I think I'm gonna stop at one of my aunts and visit with her for a little bit, and then head on to St. Thomas. My brother is at the gate waiting on us, so now Xavier is calling. So let him in, because even though we did send all the information of who is going to pick us up and everything this morning, they just said that we have to send the information again. So that's what we're doing now. So we're leaving out. So Xavier and Zaya, we are matching.
Come.
Zaya have to be wearing long sleeve because mosquito bite her up, and she is itching. So stay tuned for the video, guys. Water. Buy one of them one day. What is that, yogurt?
Where?
Right there, so. Like pouch?
You need these?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are kids.
Take a check. Fuck that them if it's a. See, I said, yeah, 3 for 6.27.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah. You know.
Then you make sense.
Them here make sense? What them here say? Them they have fruit.
But then the deal.
How much for that? 3 for? Pick up on milk. This soya? These are soya milk. So look, I saw the agenda. Milk under there? Yes, the one here, the one here middle gear.
Which one?
This one?
This one?
Yeah, that middle gear.
150. What's the other here?
3.
Three.
And the one with the gear, we get
It
it
finished.
Saturday and it finished. So I think we probably need 2. What else? The salt. One salt here. Here.
Where?
This. Do I need that big thing? So them have, alright, so one small one there. Oh. The oil here. Them have coconut oil. All of them say vegetable oil. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I've tried. You probably can't eat that then. What else? What is this? Donuts? Let me have tea biscuits too. Yeah, those different. We can get her. What else we can get her? Mm-mm. Yeah. Oh, I already have paper towels. I have a version of the EOS lotion.
Alright guys, so now we come at center man, so we have to stop at Roselle. Have to take out the fall. There's some water on my shoes, so I'm gonna wash off my shoes. Nobody in the fall today because it's Sunday and it's a rain. But I have some water on my shoes. Not water, I have some mud. Because I be a rain fall at St. Thomas, so we stop at one part and a beer mud up on my shoes. Let me wash off in that water. Make it so water. I'm better than that fall. So I bring my soap on my rag and come bathe. Nobody in that fall. You have to fall all to yourself. I mean, we have some people on the trail. That'll be a rain and fall, so the place kinda, you know, stay one way. Yeah, smell it.
The real drink is what? Guinness.
Guinness?
Yeah. So we're going to do two of them as well.
Ah, sweet. Oh, go on, King. Well, I'm there, you know. Everything good? What's the name of your channel?
My name is Boss Kirk 4K Travel and Jamaican World Travel.
Okay. Name of my channel
What's
is
the name of your channel?
The Right. Yeah. We're actually from Sentiment.
Oh, you're from St. Thomas, eh?
Yeah, from Bart.
Okay, and I'm a world traveler, travel around the world.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
We just have visit for the weekend from Florida.
Oh.
But I think they have food out there yourself. I'm hungry, I eat something.
And I told browning food already yet.
So what time browning food are ready?
Ask browning in like browning how long?
Another YouTuber in the building.
Another YouTuber.
What's up, man?
What's the My name is Xavier. What's the name of your channel?
D-Mac 4K World Tour.
Alright. The Right.
Yeah?
The Right.
The right?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's the name of the channel?
Yeah, man.
Oh, so now I cook some of them ugly fish. What they call them? Buck?
Buck, you know?
What?
Man, they ugly differently though.
What are the best fish?
Yeah?
Nobody say that, man. Ugly fish.
Yeah, man, them ugly, man.
Yeah.
What? What? Are you going to roast two bear fruit?
Yeah.
I have to check brownie and see. If our food are
World
ready.
tour brochure, you know? Yeah, you know, St. Thomas a brochure.
Yellow bird food them? Brush
No, but a maca.
Maca bird
And a
food.
yellow but a maca. Them turn.
And them turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So
Best
you
one
get
them.
that sweet, sweet.
Yeah. Worse when they fry them afterwards?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. The fire.
Our big link up to that.
Alright guys, so the natives them out up on the ground so we can get some food from Browning. Man, I'm tell me say yo, Browning food bad so. Instead of food now already until about 20-30 minutes. So we just gotta wait on it and then go from there, alright? See you.
Why me have to make a finger?
That's water.
This is right.
Me taste piece, why not?
God bless the world.
I know I never eat one before.
You never eat one before?
No, I never eat one before. Huh? This is gonna be the first one.
First time I eat it.
And she have put pepper on it too?
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Alright.
Lifestyle Babanchin. Guys, go and check out Lifestyle Babanchin.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Yes. Yeah, man.
You can't say what it is?
It's have a whole heap of flavor.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm talking about meat on it too. I'm
Drop a
surprised the fish will look like a beer bone.
No, no more.
Feels good.
It's good to know. Very good. Very good indeed.
Yeah, man.
So guys, these are the fish. Just roasted. Fresh, everything fresh. Tastes good.
Big chunky meat.
That may I say, whole heap of meat upon it. I never expect that.
You scotch pan it.
Scotch bonnet pepper.
Ah,
All over. And then it's enough. No man, I not do that enough.
by this.
Just like that. Yardman style. Tastes good man. It's a whole heap of meat on it too.
Whole for meat.
Whole heap of meat.
I thought.
Let me taste it.
Alright. Thank you. Whole heap of meat upon it.
You want to meat on it?
I'm actually surprised. There's so much meat upon it.
Let's have it one flavor.
Yeah.
Barracuda, you know?
It's a barracuda.
Yeah, just in some coconut oil.
Can't go wrong. The ancestors way.
Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong with that.
Pretty.
That style, you know. So, what you have on the menu today, Browning? What you have on the menu today?
Cow skin and bean and rice and beans.
Cow skin and bean and rice. Huh? I go on. Hold on, I have to ask the people that want me to travel with them, but I think I go on about 2 or 3 plates. But a Clarity Flex, them I see come out here still.
Yeah?
I mean, I say while I'm here, I have to stop. I mean, them I talk about your food.
Okay.
That's how we cook something.
It's wicked, eh?
So I go and go in and make fish. So,
Nice.
I tell the truth.
Like when I love the pepper, man.
You don't get this, man.
Man.
How it tastes next time?
Well, one thing I know, the first me I eat that fish, honey buck or whatever I want it. Yeah. But it tastes good. It tastes good, man.
Bobby,
It tastes good, yeah.
I used to eat it, you know.
Yeah?
I didn't enjoy it because I never do the rice. Just when she and Bobby start doing it,
Oh,
You take it up.
because she like she know she do, yeah.
Yeah,
I
man.
come in like she know shadow.
It's bad, man.
It tastes good, man. I like.
Tastes good, man. Oh, we can get more? No. Wow.
A fight,
A fight. This is a fisher, man. What you talk about?
a war.
A war.
Fish war this.
And it's coming on the
Fish war.
Well,
Oh,
fish war is good war as long
War, a
as
good war.
as long as I'm number 2.
Huh?
Huh?
We normally get more than
Yeah,
this.
Oh, normally get more than that?
yeah. We never cook more than this one.
Boy, the fish are really nice.
Yeah, man, it tastes good for true, man.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Never expect that, man. Never expect it.
Me, I look on the fish and I think they are beer bone, but actually have a whole heap of meat on it.
Whole for me.
Yeah. I think of the beer bone.
This looks big, rare. First time I see this. The things are poking a buck me down, but boy, this one is small, but it's stronger than the four, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Satisfy your belly.
And I eat it all over me, and he just buck me a little
Alright.
bit, and I still fall.
Oh, you still fall,
I still fall same way.
Correct. Deliver.
Get the liver, man.
Yeah, man. But
Sure,
me.
you look like human liver. And a human liver. Not for your liver.
Food, my guy. Different flavor, man.
That? They said zinc on her gut. She was saying that you live again? Omega, she and...
Yeah.
That's the aisle. That's the aisle, huh? Bad, man.
They done with the head shit?
Many ways to survive.
Two of them connect just like that.
Just call it, eh? No, go in there, sir. Yeah, man, just connect.
Energy.
Energy and from here you connect. You just start travel. You go up in yard, you come up in yard.
He said we didn't come here, he said you never come back.
Bro fruit them there. Yellow bro fruit, you know, and them kind of ripe. So you don't know, so them have a little sweetness to them when them done. So them there are going to roast them up and thing. I get them ready.
Bobby.
And come eat, take in the view, on the view. The view is thick. I know it's evening time, you know, so the sun will come down and thing, but it's a vibe. The people them friendly, you know. I'm sure we love two other YouTubers there. Them already subscribed to the channel. And show them back love by subscribing to them channel. So it's a whole look of vibe. You know? You definitely have to come and check it out. Then Thomas, the forgotten parish. We not forgot them no more. Alright?
Come on, you have to check the money then.
Well, I want to tell you, say, me have to wonder if them change them again.
How long do you not come here?
But the day here in February this year. That's what I want.
What you said? I didn't hear enough.
So if you want to sample the flesh.
Oh, the
Yeah,
flesh.
man, the flesh. Yeah, man, of course, man, of course. Yeah, man, we something flesh, you know? Aye, man. You said the flesh, not the flesh, you said.
Breadfruit.
Oh, but you said the flesh, but I like your
So Brown in the big chef just bring out some breadfruit for we sample. So we are going to sample it.
Breadfruit, nice, nice.
Oh, God, man.
Come
Nice.
like
It's nice.
It tastes good because it's kind of ripe.
Yeah, it's alright.
It tastes
I
good.
turn breadfruit, them, man.
Yeah.
That's one, no.
breadfruit, Iron Man.
I turn breadfruit, them, man.
It's when they fry that. It's when they fry that up.
Yeah, but coconut oil.
Yeah.
So it tastes better?
Oh, that's right, go.
Coconut oil kind of season it up away.
Coconut oil.
Yeah, man. The best oil, that man.
If I egg, you have to eat red. So why you put it on the
Natural
fire?
coconut.
Natural.
A
nourishing thing.
Yeah, from the coconut tree. Where the coconut tree, them there? Where them there?
The coconut them there, man. More time them wash up on the seashore, you know.
You saw me catch that? I drop it, I drop it. You saw me catch there?
Nourishing.
Yeah, man. It tastes good.
Nourishing.
It tastes good.
It's good, man.
Buck and rise up, you know.
Breadfruit.
How do you get that?
Yeah, but to me, I like them like how when it kind of ripe, I like it that way there. Yeah.
Eh? You know breadfruit?
No, no, we
Just
just
random.
we see breadfruit and we buy breadfruit.
I eat it on it and that is it.
Bad man.
Yeah, man. It tastes good, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, picture that with all the buck and put together.
Yeah, with the curry buck, yeah.
Oh.
With some pepper and some salt.
Anyone that one.
Natural food that best.
So that means in the morning, would I get up and fry that with some salt?
No, man.
No rice and fish and chicken.
No rice and
No rice and fish.
We eat like today on a Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight. No rice and peas.
Just sit down and eat a rice and fish and peas
Yeah.
and then pasta stuff there. Just straight seafood. Jerk. Put on the grill. You come out of the ocean.
And that is it.
Now we're doing that. Just got the seaside and wait for the boat them.
Yeah.
Sit down and wait for the boat them. So we come in the lobster them. We put them on the grill them. We fuse up and water them. Them alive and they're going to jump.
Okay.
And
Yes, sir.
lobster, I have the mommy lobster.
Out here, sir?
Yeah, man.
When? On a Friday, on a
Every
Saturday?
Sunday, man.
Every Sunday?
Every
So
Sunday.
when in the morning and the evening?
Same time, man. Same settings, man.
Alright.
Same settings.
Yeah,
man.
come
We
back.
are still
Have you come support the thing, man?
Of course,
I
man.
sent them a Sabana and grain. Have to support the native them, man.
Oh,
She just put some
with the
season on it. Yeah. How is that?
And that's
Oh,
the beauty
gosh.
about it.
Yeah.
It's not about winning, it's about support.
Yeah, you have to support. That me I say.
turn as well, man.
Our dinner we are cooking.
You have to support Browning too, cause Browning do a thing a while ago what me
I
expect.
think does start. I just the food, I just the dinner we eat.
And the
We
vibe.
pop up.
And it
I
just
don't ugly buck. I would just share.
What are
Just
they?
share.
I just love, I just
Me
share.
I ask you something. What your name?
Bobby.
My name is Xavier.
Yeah.
And you give me about 2 pieces of fish and you know me.
Exactly.
See it? I just survived.
And if you check my channel, Bobby Kingston 17, this is
Bobby Kingston 17.
Yeah.
I can subscribe to
I
it.
have a cooked black pot out of Bobby run about. So you
Oh, you're not?
Yeah.
Okay.
You pass out of the airport and enter
Hold on, man. So,
country, man.
hold on, man.
Yeah, man, all the liver.
Yeah, man. Everything good.
Liver have a different flavor, different from the white part.
Can you put 500? No?
You know me now. That
Yeah, I'll lend me one, please. Come could I do the
the
fast?
legendary Brownie here. When you come on, Roselle, you have to support her, alright? She's an honest lady. You have to support her.
You could have do the corn soup for me at the farm, let me dance to them. Before the plate.
Just gonna roast some breadfruit from that. So now them have the other one here. But them are wait for to get ready. I think them roast is already, so them are gonna fry it up or I'm gonna peel it and maybe put it on that grill there. Right there, so. But I'm have some breadfruit that I eat over here so with fish
Yeah, man, the breadfruit.
With the barracuda
and
fish, man. You know?
seasoning
The barracuda fish,
and some
man.
pepper.
Yes, man. Look at this, you know. So I'm gonna
Yeah,
put
man.
this on the breadfruit and just, you know,
Just like that.
just like that.
Ah,
My God,
fully. Fully.
Man,
Mad.
mad.
my goodness.
Jamaica is a whole vibes, you know.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica life is nice.
The best
Yes,
in
man.
the island.
Yes, man. The best island, man.
But them plate now, big, farm
Big, yeah, big plate.
pretty dog.
Man, I live like a king.
Number one on the planet.
You need a Pyrex.
No pirates.
Nah.